In this video, I'll show you how to check out a scenario, make changes to territory assignments, and save those changes. We'll start with the Projects tab within the Administration area of ProAlign. First, choose a project from the drop-down menu, in this case, My Customers. Any scenarios available will load in the scenario list below. Before I can make changes to a scenario, I have to check it out. Once I've checked out a scenario, no one else can edit this portion of the scenario until I check in my changes. I click Checkout and the Mapping tab appears with my scenario loaded. I'll expand my regions on the ProAlign grid in order to see my territory level assignments, and I do that by clicking on each region in the grid. I'll choose my Zoom tool, and I'll zoom into an area so I can see the individual customers more clearly. Next, I'll need to choose a selection tool. I have three options: Rectangle Select, Circle Select, or Polygon Select, which is also known as a freehand draw. I choose a select tool and my selection method appears. I can create a new selection, add to a current selection, or remove from a current selection. There are several ways I can reassign accounts. First, I'll drag and drop on the map. I'll select some points and they'll turn teal when selected. Then I'll hold down the Control key on my keyboard and drag from the selected points to the destination territory. You can see when I reassign customers that all fields in the territory grid update to reflect the change. I can also drag and drop from the map to the grid. I make a selection and then reassign customers by dragging to the name of the territory on the grid by holding down the Control and Alt keys together. I can also hover over the target territory on the grid and click the Set Target button. Now, any customers I select on the map will be summarized in this target territory. That way, I can see the effect of a change before I actually reassign any customers. Once I have made my selection, I then click the Assign Selection to Target button from the toolbar and the accounts are reassigned. Once I'm finished making my changes, I need to go back to the Administration area and go to the Projects tab. I choose my scenario and then I choose Check In. Now any changes that I've made have been saved to that scenario.